WMF Elevation 10, Cleaning Bean and Powder Hoppers. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Please be sure to always unplug the machine from the power connection before removing the product containers. Unlock the product hoppers using the included multi-tool and remove the lids. Turn the lever on the bean hopper to close the outlet to unlock the hopper and remove it. Next, open the front panel of the machine and turn the knob to unlock and remove the powder hopper. Now clean the hoppers with a damp cloth. Do not use harsh cleaning agents or cloths that are too wet. Let the hoppers dry completely. Do not put them back in place until they are completely dry. Now place the bean hopper in the machine and lock it in place. Next, insert the powder hopper into the machine and lock it in place using the knob behind the front panel. Fill the powder hopper with your preferred powder and the bean hopper with fresh coffee beans. Now put the lids back on and lock them in place. Plug the power cord into the outlet and turn the machine back on. The product hoppers are now clean, and your machine is ready for use again.